Hello everyone, welcome to IBM BAW training series. In this session, I'll be covering about process portal component. In the last video, I just given an overview of a process portal component. So in this session, we'll be covering what are the options which are available under the process portal, and so what is the purpose of each options and how we can use it. So those features we will be covering it. So let's jump into process portal and we see what and all options are available and we'll explore it. Okay, so this is a process portal you can see here. So the process portal, mainly the server detail, and the process portal is a URL. So by using this URL you can access the process portal. So process portal, the first option we have is a logged in user detail here. So when you click on edit profile, so you can see the job title, phone number, and email address, and followed by which language you selected. We'll be having a multiple languages. So based upon the language selection, the process portal will be converted into that language. Okay, and the calendar. So example, so which calendar you want to refer, and some more options we have here. Okay, and example, you want to get a notification whenever the task is assigned to you, so the new task is assigned to you or the team which you are part of, then you need to receive a notification. Then you can set up here by using this edit profile option. Okay, and below that we have a dashboard. So under the dashboard we have a work link. So this option work, when you click on this work, so then the task which are assigned to you and also the task which are assigned to the team which you are part of, those will be loaded here. Okay, so when you click on this link, then it asks you to claim this task. That is nothing but, so this task is assigned to a team or a group which you part of, but you are not the owner. Okay, so the first time when you're claiming it, so that is nothing but when you are assigning a task which is assigned to a team which you are part of, then you'll get this option. Okay, and if the task is already assigned to you, then the task directly will be opened. Okay, and the next option we have a processes. So this processes will be the under this processes link. By using this link, so you can see the which and all process you are part of. So example, you are part of a multiple processes which are created under the multiple process application. Then those the processes detail will be shown here, which you part of. Okay, and process performance. So you want to monitor the process performance, how this process is working. So example, you have a process which is called as standard HR open position. So this is the process. So for this process you can see how many instances are active, and so from with whom it is pending, so how many cases are completed. So those detail you can see under this process performance. Okay, and team performance. So you are a supervisor and you want to see the how your team is performing, then those detail you can see here. So we have a general manager is a team. So we can as you are a you know supervisor of this general manager team, so you can see how many tasks are open and how many are completed, which team member has worked on. So here is you can see there are Sharon 1 has worked on 5 tasks and Sharon 2 has worked on 0 task. So those detail, all those detail you can see here. Okay, and apart from that, if you have any custom dashboard links, then those will be available under the dashboard link. And we have a launch option where you can see the process which are exposed, and by clicking on this link you can start that process. Okay, that is nothing but you will be starting the process by using this link which are under the launch option. Okay, so and also you can see here the which are how many tasks are opened. There are 18 tasks are opened. um, okay, 18 tasks are opened and how many on track and at risk and how many are overdue. Those details you can see here. Okay. So this is about the process portal, and also you can create a saved searches by using this option search link. So we'll talk about more about why we'll be using this saved searches. You know, so it's mainly saved searches is nothing but a customized link to filter a data. So if you want to filter a data by one click by setting up the some condition, then we will be using this saved searches. Okay. So we'll talk about that in detail in the upcoming session. Okay. So this is about process portal. So in the higher version, so we have a one more option which is workplace. So workplace is a new portal which is introduced by IBM in the higher version. So we have a workflow toolkit. So under the workflow toolkit, there is a UI called workplace. So this is also will be used for as is similar like a process portal. So we'll see what and all options which are available under the workplace. Okay. So this is how the workplace, IBM workplace, portal will looks like. The first tab we have a task. So under this task tab, you can see these are the tasks which are assigned to me and the team which I am part of. Okay. And you can see the overview. So these are the detail of task, and you can open by using this open task link. Okay. And we have a workflows. So if you are a part of multiple process, then so you can see here. So workflow, that is nothing but instance detail you can see here. Okay. And case, so we have a case application. So under the case application, if any case got created, so those detail you can see here. Okay. So and also, so for task and workflows, so we will be having an option enabled, which is start workflow. So this is nothing but, so if you want to start a process, any process, like example here we have a student demo and hiring request process. So if any process you want to start, main process, so then you can select it, then you can launch it. That is nothing but when you click on this launch, the instance will be get created under main process. Okay. So that is the use of this start process. And under the start process, you can see the process which are exposed in the process application. If any process is exposed, uh, to available in the process portal, those process you can see here. Okay. And also you have a filter option, so you can filter the data by adding particular columns. So and also you can set up conditions here, and based upon that the filter will be applied. Okay. So and on the top of that, you can directly search here. Okay. Search a particular task or a process. So and also you can see here how many tasks are on track, at risk, overdue, and total task how many are there. Those details you can see here. And also for a process workflows is nothing but instances, which are two instances are on track and remaining all are like overdue, and total how many instances are there in the system. Okay. And same thing for the case. So cases, for we have a zero cases here. Okay. And apart from that, you can see here the custom dashboards. The custom dashboards if you created and exposed to the process portal, those detail you can see here. Okay. And along with that, the user login detail. So I logged in here. So then I want to see my profile detail. So those detail you can see here. Okay, which is similar to process portal. Okay. So these are the options are available under the workplace. Okay. Thank you for watching. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching this session.